A song of praise to the Lord for his salvation and judgment. Verse 9. Oh, sing to the Lord a new song, for he has done marvelous things. His right hand and his holy arm have made him loving true. Verse 2. The Lord is great, knowing his salvation. Verse 3. He has remembered his mercy and his faithfulness to the house of Israel. All the ends of the earth have seen the salvation of our God. Verse 4. Shout joyfully to the Lord, O people, break forth in song, rejoice and sing praises. Verse 5. Sing to the Lord with the harp and the sound of his song. Verse 6. With trumpets and the sound of his horn. Shout joyfully before the Lord the King. Verse 7. Let us see the Lord and all his goodness, the world and those who dwell in it. Verse 8. Let the rivers clap their hands, let the hills be joyful together. Verse 9. Before the Lord, for he is coming to judge the earth. With righteousness he shall judge the world, and the peoples with equity. Amen.